Okay, Google, which is the largest electronics market in the world?
China lies the world's greatest electronics market named Huaqiangbei.
Inside this Chinese electronics market, we literally get almost every electronic parts. This project will require a cardboard box which I have painted with white color, a remote, two speakers and circuit boards which I have already soldered, and an amplifier, a power circuit board which has 4 LEDs indicating the power charge, 2 speakers and a power source. This battery is 5 volt and 1 ampere. This is a digital amplifier which can indicate the song number, and this is a 3D printed case for the digital board. Let's get started by assembling the parts. We need to assemble all the circuit boards and parts inside the box correctly. This speaker is giving a good quality and it is working properly. Let's see how it works with a small video. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and click all for new notifications.